Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back at it again with a new tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on this hair that I'm wearing right now, and this wig is from UNice Hair. If you watch my videos, then you're very familiar with them. I work with them all the time, and honestly their straight hair is my favorite to wear. So I'm back today with a straight wig texture, but this is not a regular wig. This is actually a 4x4 closure wig. This is actually the first time that I try a 4x4 closure wig from them. For some reason, closure wigs are in right now, and I'm not even mad at it because honestly I love it. It's very easy to apply, especially if you're not a pro at like gluing your wigs and installing your wigs. Closure wigs is definitely perfect for you. So the wig that I'm wearing today, like I said, is their 4x4 closure wig, straight texture, and the length is 22 inches, 150% density. I always get all my straight wigs 150% density because I feel like it looks more natural. It looks the best to me. So yeah, in this video I'll be showing you guys the unboxing part, how the wig looked before I installed it and everything. It actually didn't take me long at all to install this wig because, like I said, it's a 4x4, so you don't really have to do much but just like apply the wig. And literally as I'm talking right now, this wig is so tight on my scalp. It's so tight, so it fits perfectly. I'm really in love with it. The hair is really silky. One thing that I would say about UNice Hair, their straight wigs is always super silky, really soft, and it lasts a long time. I really love their quality. So yeah, it really didn't take me much more than like 20 minutes to install this closure wig. All I pretty much did was like do my baby hair, made the closure parting look a little bit more natural. It was pretty much already ready to go, so I'll be showing you guys that in the video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will have all the links to UNice Hair down below, to the wig and everything you guys need to know. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you guys in my next video.
of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.